It would be all too easy to just stay at another beautiful Hilton or Marriott property, but no more. In today's video, we explore the luxurious and modern hotel chain Marco Polo, in the country said to often be referred to as the happiest place in the world, the Philippines. The Marco Polo Hotel can be found in Ortigas, which is in the northeast of Manila. We previously stayed at the Hilton Hotel and Sheraton, which are properties next to Manila Airport, which were exceptional. And the Conrad in the City of Dreams, Bay City, is just dreamy in so many ways. But today's stay is about finding exceptional value from a hotel that anyone should be happy to stay at. Let's have a quick look at their website to see what rooms are available and why we chose to stay here. We decided not to splash out and went for the Super Room, which does not come with breakfast at £81 per night. Not bad. Other options are for the same room type, but include better views of the city or the mountains. If you want to splash out a little bit more, you can get a premium room at 51 square metres for £96. And we were amazed to see that their largest room, the Marco Polo King Suite, is 150 square metres for a not so extortionate £398. With offices taking up the first few floors of the building, the reception can be found on the 6th floor. It has a very beautiful and welcoming bar area. I've been allocated a room on the 31st floor. That's pretty incredible. Let's hope the view's good. For a room that costs the same as a budget chain in the UK, I'm really impressed by the finishes, and the lights fixtures remind me of some well-designed Middle Eastern lamps. Below these incredibly stylish lamps are a few options for the lighting, allowing for softer light at night time, and opposite the bed is a perfectly well designed desk area with a good sized TV. I'm not exactly sure what you would store in this, but to my left is the distraction with the welcome gift, which is made up of 3 apples. Makes a nice change from the healthy delicious cakes. The view could be better, but at least it gets interesting at night, looking down on the food market, which is well worth a visit. The bathroom continues the very pleasing design material choices, featuring a slide door to save space, which is a great idea. There are plenty of branded amenities, and you'd expect this level of detail from the Marriott. Impressive. To save space, despite this being a pretty big room, the shower and bathtub share the same space. I like the design of the shampoo and conditioner bottles. I would have liked to have seen a third bottle though with body wash, as soap can be a little bit dry on the skin. Cheaper hotels often install a smaller bathtub, which saves water, but this can also be uncomfortable. This wasn't the case with Marco Polo. The grand cupboards opposite came with an ironing board and slippers, which could be useful for the extremely jaw-dropping swimming pool. Let's go have a look. Time to go see the pool. I always mention the swimming pool, but I am in love with the idea of using it. Actually doing that is a different story. The 22nd floor also has a gym, which we'll briefly visit, because once you've seen the pool, the gym will be a distant memory. The dark stone floor, the pebbles and the atmospheric lighting, it's all just too much. So how was my stay? It's a really nice hotel, it's well priced. There's a lot of nice touches to the hotel. I love the pool. I didn't try the food unfortunately. And the room is a really good size. Bathtub, shower, excellent. And the pressure from the shower, spot on. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.